I'm sure you've heard the news. Burping in space is a no-go. But why, you ask? In space there's no gravity to keep things in order. So when you try to burp, the liquids and gases in your stomach don't separate like they do on Earth. Instead they mix together into one big mess. Imagine burping and suddenly getting a mouthful of yesterday's space lasagna. Yuck! Astronauts call this a wet burp, and trust me, no one wants that. So, next time you're dreaming of becoming an astronaut, remember to pack your anti-burping etiquette. Or just stick to small sips and snacks. Space is awesome, but space burps? Not so much.